girls, welcome back to my channel Beautiful You. So today I am going to do review of product by Ben and Sarah, and this is a sample size anti-wrinkle skin product that I have got from skin18.com. This is the product. So they have sent me a sample size of 3 ml to review the product and tell you about it. I have received this product last Saturday and it's been a whole week and I have been using this product. What are the applications of this product? I will say. First, let me tell you what is the packaging look like. It looks like a syringe, you can see. It contains 3 ml of the product. This is the cap. I have to open it. Then I have to punch it and that liquid comes out. Okay, let me tell you what the liquid look like then. Okay, so whenever this happens, okay, let's see. So this is how the liquids look like. It's totally transparent, odorless liquid. There is you can, I'm not going to say odorless, it's not completely odorless. When you get it out, it gives a tingent kind of smell, like what you call lemony smell, you can say. Okay, that smell it gets. But how we have to use this, I have just put that one drop here on my 4 fingers, and then I'm going to do it like this. And this only one drop is sufficient for one to take care of their anti-wrinkle, anti-aging problems. That is, and this too contains the property to brighten and whiten your face. That's what the company says, and I am going to tell you my review later on, but that's what the company says. So this is what it looks like. It is based upon the properties of stem cells. A whole of our body contains only 10% of the stem cells. As we age, this property decreases. The stem cells to regenerate themselves decreases. What this product does is that it acts as a stem cell activator. It activates the stem cells to regenerate themselves and take care of our skin, so that any rashes, so any anything that like wrinkles that our skin can't generate themselves to take care of itself, it helps them and it regenerates our face. So the price of this 3 ml product is 1.20 USD dollars. This is the size of the product and it lasts for around 15 days. This property of the property of this the stem cell technology is really good and I really liked it. What my verdict says, I have got this product and I have been using it since 5 days. You will not at all believe what I am going to tell you. After 2 days of usage, I have found that it does what it says. I have seen the visual difference on my skin. I have got here I have got a wrinkle that is like that, and because of my aging, in the sense that we are aging every year, you can say that. But right now I'm 34 years old and I have started getting wrinkles on my face. I have seen that fluffiness and I have seen the pores becoming big. But it does have worked for me. It has worked for me, and believe me, I'm really happy with this product and I'm definitely going to buy it, because this product does really make your skin look wow. When you put it, I put it at night because in the morning I don't have time to do that. I put it at night, and in the morning when I get up, I do see my skin, it's not, it means it has got oil, because I've got oily skin, it got oil. But after a wash, I can see the real skin. I can see what this product has done to my skin. It is really good. So my verdict is, I will say that this product does work, but you have to put it regularly. Means regularly in the sense, you just can't say that, yeah, I have seen this and I have seen the miracle in 2 days. No, it is not going to happen. You have to apply it for around 15 to 30 days. After 1 month you are going to see the visible difference. I have seen, because every skin type is different and every skin needs time to regenerate itself, and stem cells, they does help to regenerate your skin. That's what happened. The only problem that I have faced with this is this they shouldn't have sent this syringe by please do not do it. Please do change the packaging, because when I try to get one drop out, rather than getting one drop out, around 15 to 20 drops came out, and it is not possible for me to put it back. So that's what the problem is. Except the packaging, the product quality is marvelous. It's mind blowing. You will feel the difference as I have, and believe me, I'm very happy with the product. And please, Skin 18, this is a really good product, and I have seen it, and I have started loving Korean products. After using Skin 18 products, I have started loving Korean products. So yes, go, please do buy it. It's quite reasonable. It's 1.20 USD dollars, means around 150 rupees. That is not a big amount for this. So this is only 150 rupees. You can buy it, and yes, you can buy it, and do buy it, and I will definitely recommend this for you. So my verdict is, I will give it, except the packaging material, I will give it 4 out of 5 marks. So that was my review for Skin 18 Ben and Zera anti-aging wrinkle gel. So bye, take care of yourself, love you, and please do subscribe to my channel. Yeah, please like this button. Okay, take care of yourself. Bye.